Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you the top 9 digital products you can sell online. These are products that are in high demand and have lots of potential for profit. So if you're looking to start selling online, these are the products you need to know about. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Hit the like buttons if you enjoyed this one. Number 1, ebook. Ebooks are becoming an increasingly popular way to consume content. They are portable, easy to use, and can be a very profitable way to sell your ideas and thoughts. If you're looking to start selling online, ebooks are a great way to get started, as they are easy to produce and don't require a lot of upfront investment. Ebooks are among the most widely known digital products, both for those who create them and for those who buy them. They are pretty easy to create because all you need is some piece of written text and some related pictures. Ebooks are easy to sell online. Customers can easily read them on their tablets, computers, and even their cell phones. When you make an ebook, you can share just about anything you know or are interested in. With an ebook, you can teach, give advice, or put together a collection of content that you can then sell on your website. So if you're looking to enter the digital marketplace, be sure to add ebook publishing to your list of options. Number 2, online courses. Digital products are becoming increasingly popular, and online courses are one of the most in-demand digital products. There are many reasons why online courses are so popular, but the most important reason is that they offer tremendous value to students and businesses. Online courses can be used to learn new skills, improve existing skills, and gain knowledge in a specific area. They offer a great way for people to learn without having to leave their home or office. Some of the most popular online courses include business and finance, computer programming, cooking and nutrition, health and fitness, history and social studies, language learning, law and legal studies, marketing and advertising, personal development, pet care and training, photography and video editing. It goes on and on. In this space, there are lots of new ideas, a lot of growth, and a lot of momentum. As it grows, traditional schools are starting to look for new ways to make their content available to people who learn online. Online course sales can be done in 3 main ways. One time only, a bunch of courses, usually with a certificate, degree, or reward given after completion. Subscription or membership to a list of courses. Number 3, web-based applications. Web-based applications or software as a service is a type of application that is delivered over the internet. It is different from traditional software, which is installed on our local computers. Web-based applications are popular because they can be accessed from any computer with an internet connection. This makes them very convenient for users as they do not have to install any software on their computers. All they need is a web browser and an account with the application provider. Some popular web-based applications include Google Docs, Spotify, MailChimp, QuickBooks, Salesforce, Skillshare, Udemy, Asana, and Canva. Number 4, graphic and digital art. Digital art is an art that is made or modified or on a computer. Graphic art is a type of visual art that combines images and words to make a new way to express ideas. Digital art can be made with almost any kind of program. Some well-known apps are Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, and Inkscape. Digital art can be used to make pictures, logos, icons, and even whole websites. Graphic art is often used in the marketing and advertising field. Abstract art, minimalism, and retro are all popular ways to make graphic art. Digital art and graphic art are very popular because it's easy for people to share them online. They can be posted on websites, blogs, and different social media sites. People may also sell prints and posters of them. Artists and graphic designers can make many unique and valuable things. If you sell digital files, you might be able to reach a large number of customers. This is a great chance to make money online because it lets you use skills you already have. Logos Brand kits, design templates, original arts, card designs are all examples of digital items. Things like these are some examples of digital products. Number 5. Software. The tech world is massive and has been expanding at a consistent rate for a considerable amount of time. It is anticipated that the total value of the international software business would exceed $1 trillion within the next few years. Every single day, people utilize various pieces of technical equipment, such as laptops and cell phones. Applications that customers desire and need to speed up business operations and their everyday lives can be made by people who write code and by those who build goods. It's feasible that computer software will end up being the digital product that brings in the greatest revenue. Users of software programs include individual as well as large corporations and small organizations of all sizes. The following are just a few examples of the many various types of software that you may create and sell: mobile applications, fitness applications, project management applications, video game applications, Apple applications, and Windows applications. Number 6. Music and audio. Music and audio are two types of digital products. Audio is a sound that has been recorded and can be played back. Music is a type of audio that has been specifically composed to be enjoyed as a listening experience. Audio can be used for a variety of purposes. It can be used to create podcasts, radio shows, and even videos. Audio can also be used to create ringtones, sound effects, and music tracks. Music is one of the most popular type of audio. It can be used to create songs, albums, and even jingles. Music is often used in advertising and marketing campaigns. Both music and audio are popular because they are easy to distribute online. They can be shared on social media, blogs, and websites. They can also be sold as digital downloads or CDs. Musicians and audio engineers can make a wide range of unique and valuable items. When you sell music and audio files, you can reach a huge number of customers. This is a great way to earn money online because it uses skills you already have. Original songs, remix, covers, and beats are all examples of music and audio products. Number 7. Photography. One of the most popular digital products today is the high-quality premium photo. Bloggers and website owners buy the most photos online. You can sell many different kinds of photos: portraits, stock photos, drone pictures, event photos, backgrounds. One problem is that there are now a lot of people doing photography, and that makes it hard to get a good price for photos. So it's hard to get paid what they are often giving away for free. But there are ways to make a good business out of selling photos. First, you need to make it easy for people to buy photos. Think about whether you want to sell photos individually or let subscribers download as many as they want. An important part of a photographer's portfolio is a good website. To get more attention, you need to show off your work in a beautiful way. If your prices are reasonable and your pictures are good, you can make a lot of money selling photos on your own website, whether you take them yourself or for clients. Number 8. Video. Videos are now one of the most watched type of content on the web. People, businesses, and organizations all use videos to learn, teach, promote themselves, and do other things. But most businesses don't have the time to start from scratch when making a video. They will either hire video editors and producers on their own or build a team of their own. Still, these people often buy video footage or clips to cut down on the time it takes to make video. Here is where you come in. You can sell your video the same way you can sell your photos and music. What kind of videos are popular? Good time clips include things like having fun, being happy, and being excited. Clips about freedom, videos of the wonders of nature, videos about health. Number 9. Freelancing, coaching, and consulting services. Freelancing, coaching, and consulting services are all examples of the kind of digital services that might be considered products. The entire process will take place in the online world. You are going to have meetings, complete your work, and then be paid. It's kind of like going to the lawyer's office, then setting up a meeting there. Consider the possibility of completing all of it via Zoom or over the phone in order to sell services online. Online courses are for people who desire to find their own solutions to their issues. People will pay for services because they either lack the time, energy, or expertise necessary to fix their own problems. They will prefer to work with another individual in general. There are 3 distinct ways to sell services to customers. Freelancing. Rather than working for someone else as an employee, you would provide your services independently. Coach. To coach someone is to guide them in the path they desire to take and assist them in becoming the person they desire to become at each step along the way. Consulting. Consulting is offering assistance to persons who work in professional or technical discipline by providing them with guidance from an expert. Thanks for watching our video on the top 9 digital products to sell online. These are just some examples of what you can sell with your digital skills. Keep in mind that the sky is the limit when it comes to selling online. If you have a skill or talent, there is a good chance you can find a way to monetize it and sell it online. Be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our future videos on how to make money with your digital skills. And be sure to like this video and share it with your friends and family members who might be interested in learning more about making money online.